When it comes to protecting your home, one of the most important investments you can make is ensuring that your doors are properly installed. Doors not only serve as the gateway to your home but also provide a vital line of defense against unwanted intruders. In a city like Austin, where both urban and suburban homes are increasingly vulnerable to break-ins and property crime, securing your home starts with high-quality, professionally installed doors. Here's how professional door installation can dramatically improve your home security in Austin. Stronger, more durable doors. One of the first benefits of professional door installation is that you'll be choosing stronger, more durable doors that are specifically designed to withstand forceful entry. Whether you opt for fiberglass, steel, or solid wood doors, professional installation ensures that your door is properly installed, maximizing its effectiveness in preventing break-ins. Many older doors, especially wooden ones, can become weakened over time due to exposure to the elements, wear and tear, or poor maintenance. When these doors are improperly fitted or have weakened frames, they become easier targets for burglars. However, professional installation ensures that your new door fits securely, making it much more difficult for an intruder to break through. Choosing a solid core door or steel-reinforced door further enhances your home's security, providing a higher level of resistance against forced entry. Improved locking mechanism. One of the most common ways burglars gain access to a home is through faulty or outdated locks. An old door with a standard, easy-to-pick lock can make your home an easy target. Professional door installation offers the opportunity to upgrade to advanced, high-security locks that offer much better protection than basic locks. Modern doors are often equipped with multi-point locks, which secure the door at multiple points along the frame, making it much harder to force open. Deadbolts, smart locks, and keyless entry systems are other excellent options that can provide increased security, ensuring that only authorized individuals can access your home. When you choose professional installation, you can rest assured that your new door is fitted with top-of-the-line locking mechanisms that enhance your home's security. Proper sealing to prevent forced entry. Improperly installed doors often have gaps around the frame or poorly fitted weather stripping, which can make them more susceptible to forced entry. A professional door installation service ensures that your door is installed correctly, with the proper sealing around the edges. This prevents burglars from using tools to wedge the door open or create leverage to force it open. Additionally, properly installed doors are equipped with weatherproofing materials that can help resist the elements, but also ensure a tight fit, making your home more secure from the outside. This thorough sealing process enhances your home's security by eliminating potential weak points where an intruder might try to gain access. Impact-resistant doors for added protection. Austin homeowners are no strangers to unpredictable weather, including high winds, heavy rains, and occasional hailstorms. These extreme weather events can cause significant damage to doors that are not properly installed or are made from low-quality materials. A properly installed, impact-resistant door helps protect your home from both weather damage and break-ins. Impact-resistant doors are designed with stronger materials and special reinforcements that make them less likely to be damaged by high winds, flying debris, or even attempted break-ins. These types of doors are especially valuable in areas of Austin that are more prone to severe weather. By investing in a properly installed, impact-resistant door, you're not only enhancing your home's security but also ensuring it's better prepared to withstand whatever Mother Nature throws your way. Enhanced curb appeal and deterrence. When it comes to home security, sometimes prevention is the best form of defense. A well-installed, high-quality door can act as a visual deterrent to potential burglars. A sturdy, reinforced door with modern security features signals to would-be intruders that your home is not an easy target. Burglars tend to look for homes that have easy access points. A new, secure door that looks difficult to break into can make your property less appealing to criminals. Additionally, modern doors with visible security features like advanced locking systems or smart doorbells with cameras can give you an edge in discouraging intruders before they even attempt to break in. When you invest in professional door installation, you not only improve your home's security but also enhance its curb appeal, which could potentially increase its market value. Better visibility for security monitoring. Many homes in Austin have doors with large windows or glass panels that allow for greater visibility. While this can be beneficial for letting in natural light and providing a welcoming appearance, it can also pose a security risk if not properly designed or installed. Professional door installation ensures that any glass in your entryway is reinforced and impact-resistant. Additionally, professional installers can ensure that any windows in or around the door are properly secured with tamper-proof locks or even security film to prevent breakage. Moreover, modern doors with glass inserts can be designed in a way that makes it harder for an intruder to break the glass and gain entry. Peace of mind. Perhaps the most important benefit of professional door installation is the peace of mind it provides. Knowing that your home's entry points are secured with high-quality, properly installed doors and locking systems offers reassurance that your family and possessions are well protected. In a city like Austin, where home security is a priority for many residents, investing in professional door installation ensures you are taking the necessary steps to safeguard your home. Final thought. In a city like Austin, where the climate and security concerns can vary greatly, proper door installation is a crucial aspect of ensuring your home is both comfortable and secure. By opting for high-quality materials, advanced locking systems, and professional installation, you'll greatly improve your home's ability to withstand both intruders and the elements. Whether you're upgrading your existing doors or replacing them entirely, professional door installation is an investment that enhances your home's security, value, and peace of mind.